Welcome to CityHuntz Vendor Onboarding. Register your business for free. Go live in 48 hours.
To get started, go to the Play Store and download the CityHuntz Vendor App on your mobile or tablet. Once installed, open the app and tap on Join as Vendor. Select your business type, then enter your first name and last name. Verify your phone number using the OTP, enter your email ID, and tap Next. Upload your cover photo, crop it, and confirm. Then upload your logo. Enter your restaurant name and contact number. Next, select your cuisines. If your cuisine isn't listed, tap Others, type it manually, and add it. Do the same for categories and select available ones or add your own. If you have different menu categories, select them and upload accordingly. Indicate whether your restaurant offers delivery and enter your delivery timings. Now upload your menu photos. If you have a referral code, enter it here. Set your password, confirm it, and accept the terms and conditions. That's it. Your application is submitted successfully. Now log in using your email and password. Explore your dashboard to discover premium marketing and full services options. You can upgrade now for better visibility or choose to do it later. Complete your kike anytime. Want full verification? To unlock all features, go to Premium Marketing, review the plans. And tap Upgrade to complete your payment. Once upgraded, you'll get access to powerful tools like analytics, booking links, business descriptions, offer posts, photos, and reels. And download your restaurant QR from Vendor App and stick it anywhere. And your customers redirect to your restaurant page and redeem coupons.
Advertise your brand. Send direct notifications and offers to your users anytime. Get discovered. Get bookings. Grow your business. Visit cityhuntz.com to get started today. CityHuntz.